Hi, sixth grade. Welcome back to step 3 of our 1-point perspective name project. Now, this week we are going to start to add some color. So if you look at the screen in front of you, you will notice that I have these different kind of color swatches that I was testing out. I have some color pencils in front of me. I have some Crayola markers, some Sharpies. So this will be kind of up to you with what you would like to choose. I would say pick something um, that has like a finer tip to it that you can get in to your little designs that you drew. And what I want you to do is to pick a color scheme. So pick about like 6 or 7 colors that you want to incorporate into your picture. Black does not count because you already used it and you could use it again if you want to. But just pick out some colors that you think go nicely together, and you can tell I tested out just by doing little marks. And I incorporated both Sharpies and color pencils, and I tried to make them look the same. So I have these two that I'm using. These are the color pencils. These are the Sharpie marker, Crayola marker colors, okay? And what you're doing is kind of self-explanatory. You are going to be coloring in your designs you did last week. So you can kind of choose what you decide to outline. So I outlined the oranges that I did. I pretty much think I outlined everything because I wanted them to be bold black, but you can kind of decide what you have either outlined or how you want to color it in. Okay. Um, and then I just take an eraser and I erase anything. And then you are taking your time to color in at least 3 letters. Okay. So outlining little designs you did last week should take a lot of time. So that's why I'm only going to have you do coloring of 3 letters. Okay, so you can see I did the first one, I did the oranges with a blue background, and then I'm working on this second one, taking my time. And then try to be creative with your coloring. If you look back at this one that I am working on, I started with yellow and then I had it fade to orange. In my oranges K, my little orange that I did a lighter shade of orange and a darker shade to give it some depth. So try to be creative with your coloring. Don't just scribble on a color just to get it done. Really try to go above and beyond and push yourself with what you can do creatively. Um, and then this is my last one that I did, and you can see I'm kind of switching out from color pencils to markers. And then, yeah, so this took, again, if you look at the time, about 13 minutes. So I outlined my little designs in black first, and then I colored 3 in, okay? So I know that this actual video that you're watching is pretty short. I wanted to keep it short for a reason. Um, but yeah, so I can't wait to see how they come out. Don't forget to take a picture and upload it so I can see it. And then I will chat with you guys next week. All right, bye.